It's been quite a while and we still haven't seen anything. Oh, I even saw Green walking around down there just now, still looking. It'd be really nice if there was someone who at least knew something about this island.
Like that odd pony thing right there?
What? Well, that's something you don't see every day. And why does its mouth look like a vagina?
Whoa, TMI there, bro.
Let's just go see if she knows anything. Hey, Scoozy! You there! You know anything about this island?
Hello!
Looks like she just sits there and does nothing. Doesn't look all that sentient either. I don't know why, but for a place like this, the whole sit and do nothing looks pretty stupid.